Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got something exciting lined up for you. Are you looking for ways to make money from the comfort of your home? Well, you are in luck because in this video we are going to share a hassle-free and legitimate method to earn money from home. So let's dive right in. Online surveys are a method used by companies and market research firms to gather feedback from consumers about their products, services, or various topics. These companies value consumer opinions to improve their offerings or make informed business decisions. Many companies pay for your opinions. Just sign up with reputable survey websites, share your thoughts on products, services, and even everyday topics. It's easy and you can earn some extra cash in your free time. How it works. Sign up on reputable survey websites. There are numerous legitimate survey websites out there such as Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie or Tuluna. You need to create an account on these platforms to get started. Complete surveys. After signing up, you will be provided with a list of available surveys. Each survey usually has a specific criteria such as your age, location, or interests. Pick the survey that match your profile and start answering the questions. Earn rewards or cash. Upon completing a survey, you will receive rewards in the form of points, gift cards, or cash. The value of each survey can vary depending on its length and complexity. Redeem your earnings. Once you have accumulated a sufficient number of points or cash, you can redeem them for various rewards or withdraw the money to your PayPal account or bank. Advantages. Flexibility. You can take surveys at your convenience, making it an ideal option for those who want to earn money in their spare time. Low entry barrier. Signing up for survey websites is usually free, requiring only basic personal information. No special skills required. Participating in online surveys does not demand any specific skills or qualifications, making it accessible to a wide range of people. Overall, taking online surveys can be an enjoyable way to make some extra money in your spare time. However, it's essential to be cautious and choose legitimate survey websites to avoid scams or wasting your time on unreliable platforms. Always check for reviews and user feedbacks before signing up for any survey website. And there you have it. This is the way to earn money from the comfort of your home. Remember, building an online income takes time and effort, but with dedication, you can turn your home into a source of revenue